Ram. Now today we'll be revising political science lesson number 2, India's foreign policy. We'll revise the lesson as per the paper pattern. Okay, your history and political science paper pattern, the types of questions will be asked. So accordingly we'll revise this lesson. So let's begin. Your first question you'll have as choose the right option. So you will be getting fill in the blanks, choose the correct alternative. Options will be given to you and you have to click the correct option. So the first one, dash was the main objective behind establishing the Indian Atomic Energy Commission. So the answer is enhance military capacity was the main objective behind establishing Indian Atomic Energy Commission. Next, dash is now the objective of all the nations of the world. So what is the objective? Economic development. The concept of regional development later expanded to include dash as well. So the answer is Africa. So now for all options will be given to you. You have to click the correct option. Your next question will be match the following. So here also you have already done this in your unit test, how to do match the following. So the first question is first nuclear test. So what will be the answer? First nuclear test. Whichever is the correct answer, you have to click on the correct option. So first nuclear test was done in 1974. So that is your answer. Second, stability in India. So what will be the answer for that? Yes, 1970s Sino-Indian relations. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is 1970s. So you will click on the correct option. Next one, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. So contribution in improving the Sino-Indian relations. This is the answer. So in this way you are going to do the match the following. Your next question will be state whether the following statement is true or false. First one, India built nuclear weapons and conducted nuclear tests in 1998. So you have to tell whether the statement is true or false. So what will be the answer? True or false? Yes, the answer is true. In 1998, India built nuclear weapons and conducted the nuclear test. Second one, Rajiv Gandhi shaped India's policy in the early period. Is it true or false? Yes, children? Yes, it is false. It was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru who shaped India's foreign policy. Okay. Now, you will have your next question. Answer in one sentence by choosing the correct option. So you will be given options for answer in one sentence also. So your first question is, which country has adopted the policy of non-alignment in the context of the Cold War? So first option, Russia has adopted the policy of non-alignment in the context of Cold War. Second is India has adopted the policy of non-alignment in the context of Cold War. And third option is America has adopted the policy of non-alignment in the context of Cold War. So what is the correct answer? Yes, India has adopted the policy of non-alignment in the context of Cold War. Okay, so for one sentence also you will get options. Now the second question, who was the first chairman of India Atomic Energy Commission? Your options are Dr. Homi Bhabha was the first chairman of India Atomic Energy Commission. Second, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai was the first chairman of Bhabha Atomic Energy Commission. And third, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the first chairman of Bhabha Atomic Energy Commission. So, what is the answer? Who was the first chairman? Yes, it was Dr. Homi Bhabha was the first chairman of India Atomic Energy Commission. Then let's proceed to the next question. That is, name the following. in your previous video we have discussed as a extract. You might get an extract. You may also get name the following. Okay. Who collects information needed to shape the foreign policy? So who collects information which is needed to shape the foreign policy? President, Prime Minister, or administrative officers? So the answer is administrative officers. Second one, the members of international system. Who are the members of international system? America, Russia, all countries. So the correct answer is the third option, that is all countries. This is the correct option. Okay, all countries is the correct option. Right? Okay. Let's proceed to the next question. Arrange the following in correct sequence. So your events are given. You have to arrange it in a proper sequence. India reduced the government control over the economy and adopted the free market policy. Second, India proved her nuclear capability by conducting nuclear tests in 1974. Third, Pakistan broke apart and independent Bangladesh was created. And fourth one, in the decades of the 1970s, there came about some stability in India's foreign policy. So then you will be given options. What is the chronological order? 3, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 3, 1 and 1, 4, 3, 2. So think about, children, what will be the correct option? Yes? The answer is 3, 4, 2, 1. So you have to arrange the events accordingly. So please memorize the dates also, children. So if any chronological order comes, you should be able to arrange it properly. Next question is, find the correct option. So India's nuclear policy, part of foreign policy, policy of non-alignment, Cold War, nuclear test in 1974, Jaitapur, and second stage of India's foreign policy, relations with America strengthened. So you have to find out the incorrect pair. So what correct pair, children, here? Can you identify? Yes? Yes, the incorrect pair is nuclear test in 1974. It was not at Jaitapur. It was at where? Pokhran. So yes, nuclear test in 1974. Jaitapur is a wrong statement. Okay, a wrong option. Right? Okay. Now next question will be, explain the concept. So this question, children, you will have to type your answers. So please see to it that you type the answers that have been provided to you accordingly. So for example, India's foreign policy, and you too need to mention the points which are given in your notes, right? The guidance about how to shape India's foreign policy is laid down in the Directive Principles of State Policy Act 51. The broad framework from India's foreign policy are as follows. India should give priority to safeguard international peace and security and resolve our international problems and disputes by peaceful means. The objectives of our foreign policy should be to maintain friendly relations with other nations and respect international law. So you need to write all the points mentioned. So the last two questions of your paper, you will have to type the answers. No options will be given to you all. So the last, fourth point, India's foreign policy encourages settlement of international disputes by arbitration. And then you have the last question of your paper, that is answer in brief. Write the objectives of India's foreign policy. So whatever points are mentioned, you will all need to type out those points, the answer correctly, right? So in this way, children, we have revised the second lesson of political science. Yes, so we'll do the next remaining lessons in our next class. Okay, till then, thank you children.